Welcome to an extraordinary offering on the Gold Coast, a rare luxury estate located at 8 Southern Cross Drive in Surfers Paradise. Set on an expansive 2,221 square metre triple block with 54 metres of prime main river frontage, this exceptional residence offers unparalleled river views, city skyline vistas, and the tranquility of Cronin Park, all within a secluded, prestigious location on Cronin Island. Designed by the award-winning architect Baden Godad, this 3-story executive home is a masterpiece of architectural brilliance. The open-plan layout combines expansive living areas, 5 oversized bedrooms, 2 executive offices, and a fully equipped games room, all anchored by the home's suspended concrete slab construction. The use of natural materials, including hardwood, stone, and travertine, adds warmth and sophistication throughout. The ground level features a gourmet kitchen with Millet appliances, dual island benches, and a walk-in scullery. It seamlessly flows into a vast living and dining area with soaring 6-metre ceilings, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and a cozy 2-way gas fireplace. The covered riverside terrace, with its built-in barbecue and teppanyaki grill, offer an ideal space for alfresco dining and entertaining. The middle level is home to the luxurious master suite with private riverfront views, dual dressing rooms, and a spa-like ensuite with a freestanding bath and walk-in shower. 3 additional oversized bedrooms, each with their own private balconies, and several multi-purpose rooms provide versatility and comfort. The top level boasts 2 executive offices with expansive entertaining terraces and a wet bar, offering both work and leisure spaces with sweeping views. Outdoor living is equally impressive, with a floodlit tennis court, a fully tiled pool, and mature tropical gardens. The dual access pontoon with deep water access to the Broadwater via Sundale Bridge enhances this property's appeal for boating enthusiasts. With proximity to the prestigious schools and the cultural hub of Hodder, this luxurious property offers both serenity and city convenience, making it the ultimate riverfront living experience.